Landwirt.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
Landwirt.com welcomes all do-it-yourself project submissions. And today we're in the middle of the city of Steyr, visiting Florian Schweighofer and his self-built trailer for a lawn tractor. Hello, Florian.
Hello, Denise. Nice to have you here.
Thank you, Florian. Tell me, what do you do for a living that made you build your own tipper truck?
Well, I became self-employed as an agricultural service provider in June 2025, and before that, I did some neighborhood assistance. I realized that quickly. With so much green waste in the neighborhood, a wheelbarrow isn't enough anymore. That's how the idea started.
Okay, now it might not look that big to some people, but your tipper is almost completely self-built and it can do quite a lot. Which components are installed in your self-built tipper now?
I found the frame online. It was simple, a platform with a sliding cloth and an internal turntable drawbar. I quickly realized that it doesn't meet my needs 100%. The size was correct since it needed to match the tractor's proportions. In terms of weight, the conversion is basically the length of the base frame, the large balloon tires, so that you can simply distribute the weights you have over a large area and therefore don't get stuck anymore. We converted it to a tipper with a high tipping angle, meaning with a 12-volt car battery and a hydraulic unit, so that it works and is independent from the towing vehicle.
You have a very high tipping angle with
60 degrees.
How do you ensure stability there?
I only drive around the city and neighborhood, so I'm always on flat asphalt. But the 3-point support of the tilting surface itself is stable enough, and we don't have such heavy weights that it wouldn't be sufficient.
What was the heaviest load you've transported with your tipper?
We've loaded 500, 600 kilos of soil before using a truck and a grab crane like that. What it was carrying, we only moved it about 50 meters into the garden. That works for dumping too, but the heavier the weights, the less often I can dump. Because of course the car battery also has its limits.
How does the hydraulic system work? Is it connected to a tractor?
The hydraulic system operates simply and doesn't rely on a towing vehicle. There's a simple regular car battery inside with a hydraulic unit which contains the motor pump and the control valve. As you can see, I have the box mounted in the front. I press a button, it starts to tilt, it comes down on its own by gravity, and of course all the electrical parts are secured as well. It's from camping and lifting technology.
How much did your project cost overall?
Well, if I don't count the labor time, just the components. And I didn't skimp on the components because I prefer to spend an extra euro and have something decent. And for that, I have peace of mind for a long time. So are we talking about roughly 1,500 euros? You
said there are still a few touch-ups to do. What's still on the agenda?
So at this point, I've noticed the sideboards, since we can open them on 3 sides, I don't need that. So I want to make the 3 sides fixed. The tailgate at the back shouldn't be opened manually anymore. It should open automatically when tipped, like on a Joskin trailer.
Thanks, Florian, for presenting your self-built tipper. If you're interested in Florian's agricultural services and are based here in Steyr, then check out the website of Garden and Grassland Service Schweighofer. Then you can make use of this tipper and Florian's services. And if you have also completed any projects, feel free to send them to landwirt.com. We look forward to your submissions.